In this video, we are going to talk about phrasal verbs and so and neither. Let's begin to understand what a phrasal verb is. It is a verb plus a particle. This particle can be a preposition or can be an adverb. They can be separable when they have an object, or they can be non-separable without object. Let's know a little bit more about separable phrasal verbs. So if we have a separable phrasal verb, we have an object. If the object of a phrasal verb is a noun, you can put it after the verb and preposition or between them, right? So I can say, I turn on the TV, or I turn the TV on. Notice that I'm talking about a noun, the TV. It's a thing. It could be a thing or a person, and it is going to be at the end or in the middle, right? In this case, we have some lists that tell us which verbs are separable and which are not separable. This is the best way to know if a verb can be separated by the object or not. If the object of a phrasal verb is a pronoun, you must put it between the verb and the preposition. I turn it on. If it is a pronoun, there is no second option. It has to be in the middle in separable phrasal verbs. Non-separable phrasal verbs, on the opposite, cannot be separated by object or pronoun. So in that case, what we are going to do is just to use the verb together all the time. Let's talk about so and neither. We use them when we have something in common with somebody else. You use so or neither plus auxiliary plus I, because you are going to refer to yourself when using them. And also, the auxiliary that you are going to use depends on the tense of the previous sentence, on the one that you are agreeing with. So it depends on affirmative or negative sentences. We are going to use so or we are going to use neither. Let's check the affirmative first. Person number 1 is a friend of mine that is talking. And person 2 is myself. So I will agree or I will say I have the same situation than the other person has. I am happy, says person 1. So am I is my answer. I am happy too. It is what it means. I work hard. So do I. Notice that work is in simple present and the auxiliary for simple present in first person is do. So this is the one I'm using. So do I, the auxiliary of the tense of the original sentence, the one that my friend said. I traveled yesterday. So did I. So it means I traveled too. Right? Traveled is in simple past. This is the reason why I'm using did. I can write poems. So can I. I can write poems too. That is what I'm saying. I would like some tea. So would I. Both of us want to drink some tea. I have visited Paris. So have I. Have is the auxiliary for present perfect, have visited. This is the reason why I'm using it. And in the meanings, we have exactly what person 2, in this case myself, is saying. Let's compare it with the negative form. I have exactly the same sentences in person 1, but in negative. So it means we are going to have something negative in common. We can say it in a way. So, I am not happy, says person 1. Neither am I. When I am using neither is the negative form in my answer. So I don't need to use the auxiliary in negative form. It is going to be as it is. Neither am I. I don't work hard, says person 1. Neither do I. So we have don't in negative. In the other one we have the word neither, so we have do. I didn't travel yesterday. Neither did I. I can't write poems. Neither can I. I wouldn't like some tea. Neither would I. I haven't visited Paris. Neither have I. As you see, neither is going to give us the negative form, and then we have the auxiliaries as they are. And in the meanings, we can understand how it is said. I am not happy either. I don't work hard either. I wasn't tired either. I can write either, or can write poems either. I'd not like some tea either. I haven't visited it either. So in that case, those are the ways in which we use so for affirmative and neither for negative form accordingly, right? These charts are going to be a good summary to understand better how to use so and neither.